Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that I will put about e for the both sides. And we know that e to the power of f and s, you got about s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to the s over s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So we put number 0 gone here, and we can see that u will go to negative infinity. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. So number 0 will be negative infinity. Number 1 will go to number 0. F and S we change by u. So this one I can put about s over s. So s in here we change by e to the power of u. The s over s we change by du. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to negative t. Later that we can do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to negative dt. Now we need to change the bounds. When u approach to negative infinity, that is from here. So we put negative infinity gone here, and we have negative and negative. We simplify, so t approach to positive infinity. When u equals to number 0, that is from here. So we put number 0 gone here, and we can find the value of t. So t equals to number 0. This one we have positive infinity. U we change by negative t. Du we change by negative dt. So because we have the negative sign here, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. Next, for this one, I will put about negative number 1 to the power of n, t to the power of n. So I will put this one go outside. Next, we can use about Laplace Transformation. So we have the formula in here. So we just concentrate about this one only. We can see that f of t, that is about t to the power of n. And we can do about Laplace of t to the power of n in here. And that should be about n factorial over h to the power of n plus 1. And we can see that negative, that is about negative number 1. Compared to this equation, we can see that we have negative h, negative number 1. So that means we have h equals to number 1. And now the integration of this one, we will have this one going here, and we have the bounds that is about h equals to number 1. So we put number 1 going here, and we know that 1 to the power of n plus 1, that is about number 1. So we have negative number 1 to the power of n, and we have n factorial in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. This is the end. Thank you for watching.